Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In this class, I am going to discuss that reflection in surface. This concept already you know very well in physics. Draw the one surface. This is a line parallel to ground level. This line is this ray is incident ray, and this is reflected ray. Reflected ray. Now this is normal to surface. This is normal to surface. Now this angle and this is. These two angles are equal. For suppose I am taking theta. Then what about this angle? These two also equal only alpha. This is also alpha. Alpha. But this is clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. This is clockwise direction. In clockwise direction, angle regarded as negative. Anti-clockwise direction, angle regarded as positive. Remember it. For suppose this angle is 30 degrees. This is also 30. But by observing the direction, in this direction we will say that this is minus 30 degrees. In this direction, this is 30 degrees. That is the difference. Magnitude is same, but direction is opposite. Students, are you understood? And draw here diagram, printed diagram. Observe that IP is the incident ray, PR is the reflected ray. Here, take the one curve. This is a curve. This is a curve. In that curve, this is tangent. Tangent means the line touching the curve. The line touching the curve. So normal is perpendicular to tangent. Okay. Now here already you written Pn is normal to the surface. Angle IPN is equal to angle NPR. Angle of incident ray is equal to angle of reflection ray. But both the angles are opposite sides because one is clockwise direction, another one is anti-clockwise direction. Students, all of you understood? Right. Now in this concept, I am going to discuss that first problem. See the question, what they are given. This is a mains 2013 given. Same type of question in mains 2020 also given. Not exact question in this concept based. Now read the question carefully. A ray of light along the line gets reflected upon reaching x-axis. The equation of the reflected ray is, for suppose this is x-axis. X-axis. One incident ray is reflected on x-axis. This is a reflected. Now equation of reflected ray we need. First, this is given line x plus root 3y, that is equal to root 3. What about this point, students? How to find that point? I am taking P. P is lies on x-axis. The line intersect the x-axis means y coordinate 0 or not. Y, now if y is equal to 0, substitute in equation root 3 into 0, that is equal to root 3. What we are getting, students? X is equal to root 3. Finally, the point x comma y on x-axis, that is root 3 comma 0. This is root 3 comma 0. But this is the required straight line. reflected ray is the answer here. But we know that these two angles are equal or not, but opposite sign. What is slope of incident ray? Slope of the line. Slope of incident ray. Incident ray. How much, students? See here, root 3y is equal to minus x plus root 3, and y is equal to minus 1 by root 3 into x plus root 3 by root 3, 1. What is slope here? Minus 1 by root 3. Minus 1 by root 3. That means here tan theta value minus root 3. Here I am writing tan theta is equal to minus 1 by root 3. What is theta, students? Tan of minus theta minus tan theta. Okay, here minus tan, so we can write tan minus 30 degrees. Minus 30 degrees. Here theta value is minus 30. Here angle is negative. Then what about this? Here we get opposite angle now. Theta is 30 degrees. In that basis I am taking. Okay. Now finally slope of reflected ray. Slope of reflected ray. What is that? M is equal to tan theta. Theta is 30 degrees. Tan 30, how much, students? 1 by root 3. Take directly. Here slope M is equal to minus 1 by root 3 means here M is equal to 1 by root 3. Now slope point. Slope point form. P is root 3 comma 0 and slope is 1 by root 3. Find equation of reflected ray. Y minus y1 is equal to M into x minus x1. Now this is root 3y is equal to x minus root 3. So this is equation of reflected ray. Equation of reflected ray, that is root 3y, that is equal to x minus root 3. Students, which option correct? Second option correct. A ray of light passing through the point 8 comma 3 and is reflected at 14 comma 0 on x-axis. Then equation of the reflected ray. Two methods are there. Follow any one of the method, no problem. First, draw the x-axis. This is x-axis. You can take this is y-axis. Origin. Okay. 8 comma 3. This is the point. This is 14 comma 0. Draw the line. This is incident ray touching x-axis and reflected like this. Okay. This is for suppose one point P. Image of P with respect to x-axis here. This is P dash. And passing through this. This is a line. Okay. So in this base also, in this method also we can find. Or for suppose this is the point A, 8 comma 3. This is point B, 14 comma 0. But we need a equation of reflected ray. This is not useful. Image of A here. that is A dash. Now the reflected ray is passing through A dash only. The reflected ray is passing through A dash only. A dash point, B point. By using these 2 points, find the equation of reflected ray. That is one method. Or follow the slope method. What is slope of incident ray? Slope of incident ray. Slope of incident ray. Incident ray means that is AB only now. What is the slope? Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. So how much, students? This is minus 1 by 2. Slope of this line is minus 1 by 2. What is slope of a reflected ray? Same magnitude but opposite sign. 1 by 2. Yes or no? Slope of reflected ray. Reflected ray. How much? That is 1 by 2. Now B point already we know that is 14 comma 0 and slope 1 by 2. Use slope point form. Y minus 0 is equal to 1 by 2 into X minus 14. Calculate this. 2y is equal to X minus 14. Which option correct, students? Third option. Or find image of 8 comma 3 with respective to x-axis. X-axis means what is the equation? Y is equal to 0. Find image, take image formula, find A dash. By using B and A dash, find the equation of reflected ray. You will get same answer. Okay. So follow the any one of the model, no problem. Right. Finally, we got third option correct.